Hi guys, welcome back to TechCast. Today I'm excited to unbox the brand new Magic Keyboard for the 2020 iPad Pro. I was really excited when this iPad accessory was announced because it looks to turn the iPad into an even better, more capable laptop replacement for me. And I've been using the iPad Pro with the Magic Keyboard from the iMac and a Magic Mouse, and it's really impressed me so far, so I'm really looking forward to see what this keyboard can do. Now, the Magic Keyboard is available for the first and second generation 11-inch and third and fourth generation 12.9-inch iPad Pro. So if you have an iPad Pro with Face ID, this keyboard will work with your iPad. So let's get on with the unboxing. As we open up the box and take the plastic off, you're greeted with the Magic Keyboard, and besides some documentation, there's nothing else. Now let's get to the Magic Keyboard itself. The keyboard actually feels really nice and soft. If you're familiar with the previous keyboard Folio, the feel is very similar, if not identical to that, and seems to be made out of the same soft, rubbery material. Flipping open the case, you can see the keyboard and the trackpad just below it. The keyboard is backlit and feels very similar to the Magic Keyboard of the iMac, if you're familiar with that, and the trackpad feels clicky and responsive. Now let's take a look around the keyboard. On the back, we can see the Apple logo. On the side here, you can see the metal main hinge, and on the opposite end, you have the USB-C port for pass-through charging. So that will allow you to charge the iPad Pro while still keeping the USB-C connector from the iPad free for other accessories like external storage. The Magic Keyboard attaches to the iPad Pro magnetically and uses the smart connector in the back to connect to the iPad. And once we have the iPad attached, we can get a good look at the hinge design. So it flips up at the main hinge to a little below 90 degrees, at which point the secondary hinge allows you to adjust the angle of the iPad. The previously available Smart Keyboard Folio for the iPad Pro only had two viewing angle adjustments, so this floating hinge is definitely a better solution. So now I'm going to use this keyboard for a little bit and check in later with another video to let you know about my thoughts. Please, if you have any questions, comment down below and I'll try to address them in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.